Right, welcome back now. Let's run off with some athletics. 1 week away from the national trials, which will be used to select Jamaica's team to the Paris Olympics, founding head coach of the MVP track club, Stephen Francis, says his charges are ready to deliver.
For the past 2 seasons, the stables of the MVP track club have been led by Sharika Jackson. The 2-time world champion is the fastest living woman over 200 meters with 21.41 seconds and is looking to add an individual Olympic title to her impressive list of accolades. But founding head coach of MVP track and field club Stephen Francis says a late start to her season has hampered her build-up to Paris.
Because she didn't run indoors this year, she was not as explosive as usual in the first half of her races. So it took her some time to catch up, and plus I think she had put on a little weight, but now she's back to normal. I think she seems she has lost the weight that she gained, and she's, based on what I saw this morning, she's looking good.
Francis spoke with TVJ Sports on Thursday after the sprinters completed a time trial and says his charges were in good stead.
Well, for the most part, I am very happy. I mean, I think a lot of people did most of what I had expected, and so we confirmed the shape of some. We have a couple persons who didn't really do well, but you know, we still have some time, and next week I'm hoping that is fatigue related, and that next week they will begin to improve towards what the expectation was.
And while satisfied with the talent he has in the women's 100 meters, the experienced coach is not writing off the chances of 2 of his former charges, Olympic gold medalist Shelly-Ann Fraser-Price and Elaine Thompson-Herah.
I am not sold by the performances of either Elaine or Shelly. I believe that it is not possible for them to turn up in near to their best shape. So my philosophy is we train, we prepare, we wait, and whatever they do, they do. You know, we can't be concerned about the performances of people who we don't train. So, I mean, if we are sorry for any inconveniences that they have been through, but their performances is not going to affect ours. So
the national trials is set for June 27 to 30 with live coverage set for TVJ, TVJSN, OneSpotMedia.com and Hits 92 FM. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.